representing La Paz National High School, we have Tribo Pakidain! Long before roads and towns shaped the land, the Ilonggo Ati, our ancestors, lived as forest hunters and gatherers, guided by the rhythms of nature. The mountains, hills, riverbanks, and waterfalls of Iloilo were not merely landscapes to them. They were home, provider, and protector. Iloilo was a land of abundance, rich with life and sustenance, where every element of nature played a role in survival and balance. Among the forest's many inhabitants was the long-tailed macaque, a small yet spirited primate native to the Visayas. Deep within the woods, the paths of the Ati and the macaques often crossed. Ever watchful and fiercely protective of their home, the monkeys announced their presence with short cries echoing through the trees, sometimes darting down to snatch baskets or belongings. Clever acts meant to drive intruders away.
These encounters were part of daily forest life, reminding the Ati that the land was alive and sacred, shared by many beings and not owned by humans alone. Peace-loving by nature, the Ati chose harmony over conflict. Instead of driving the monkeys away, they offered paghalat, bananas laid gently upon the forest floor as a sign of goodwill. This simple gesture became a bridge of peace, nurturing understanding between human and creature. Through these offerings, the Ilonggo values of hinirupay or hinirupay closeness, ang pag-intindihan or mutual understanding took root, and the forest no longer felt divided. The Ati came to see themselves as not as masters of the wild, but as its stewards, guardians entrusted by God to protect the balance and grace of creation.
In time, the playful spirit of the long-tailed macaques became woven into the character of the Ilonggo people themselves. Their liveliness and curiosity shaped a people known for hopefulness, optimism, and cheer. This spirit lives on in Ilonggo's deep faith and joyful devotion to the child Jesus, Señor Santo Niño. As fun-loving devotees, they celebrate Him through Dinagyang, dancing to powerful rhythms that echo faith, gratitude,